panorama namin.
Para malinawan sa issue, muling kinausap ni Kuya si Kevin.
Kaya kita pinatawag dito ay dahil tungkol sa nawawalang noodles. Sabihin mo ang mga pangalan ng taong involved.
Nung day daw, ito yung first instance. Yung incident, yung si Kevin, nagaya na kumain ng noodles. Niyaya niya si Yosef na kumain. Tapos, walang noodles daw.
Then 2 hours later, those people eating noodles.
Sino?
Priscilla at Valerie. It happened twice.
Ngayon, tinanong ko si Valerie Priscilla kung saan daw yung noodles. Sabi nila, nandun lang daw yun sa missing box.
Ano ang masasabi mo sa accusations na ibinibigay sa'yo?
Naiintindihan ko naman talaga na ang mga tao, lalo pag gutom, mga ganun, mapaplanning sila. Like, sasabihin nila na kung sino, like, magbibintayan sila ng ibang tao, ganun. Pero, dito pa sa isang bahay, pero parang masamaan pa hanggang dahil bakit ang dami-daming sabihin, bakit pagbibintangan pa kami. Ganun po.
I think they did it once. I don't know why.
I'm not the person who hides something or something like that. Dahil nandito sa bahay, walang isip ng hide this. Dahil hindi ako yung person selfish or something like that.
Do you believe that Priscilla and Valerie got the noodles?
Opo.
Nominated si Kevin.
Si Kevin, produkto ng iba't ibang kultura. Maagang nagtrabaho para tustusan ang sport na hilig niya. Sa pagpasok niya sa bahay, nahirapang sumabay sa mga kasama.
They don't understand me. They don't think like me.
First time man sa Pilipinas, determinado siyang makibagay. Patutunayan niya na karapat-dapat siyang tawagin, kabataang Pinoy.
I'm trying to learn Tagalog. I feel very Filipino.
Ikaw ang magdedesisyon kung gusto mo pang mas makilala si Kevin, ang Spanish stallion ng Madrid.
Suffering from hair fall? At the Clear Technology Center, we discovered that more than half of people who experience dandruff also experience hair fall. Clear Hair Fall Defense with Zinc Phytonol. Clear eliminates dandruff and improves an unhealthy scalp. And is proven to reduce hair fall by up to 98%. Clear Hair Fall Defense and Hair Fall Decrease for men. No dandruff, less hair fall. Endorsed by the IAC.
At yun ay tungkol sa mga itinatagong noodles.
Kevin noticed or napansin na ang noodles every afternoon, every night time, wala po. Tapos, paglabas po ni Kevin sa pool, I'm sorry but we have to say this, he saw and I saw Priscilla and Valerie eating noodles po. That's the time nag-open up, that's the time na nag-start lahat ng, sino yung kumain ng noodles, sino yung nag-hide ng noodles, sino yung ganun-ganun, kasi parang we live here like brothers and sisters, and why would we hide food? Now we must share it to everyone.
You remember the time where you got those 3 batsoy?
Yes.
That's the second time where I don't know who put the noodles in the jar or the jars.
But it was only tatlong batchoy sa missing box. I took the first to see me, and then you, and then Alex.
And then
walang seafood doon.
And someone appeared with seafood that was not there. Wala seafood, then there was. Those are 2 times I saw food that was not there.
Kanina mo nakita yung seafood na noodles?
Gotta say the name, Kevin.
I have to say name.
Yeah.
Priscilla.
The second time?
Priscilla.
Bakit kami ang pinabundangan? Diba? Sa'yo, ang feeling mo na sa ngayon?
Of course, sakit. Dahil they don't see it.
Sakit, diba?
Kuya said, that's no problem.
I'm not, no, I know you're going to be mad at me and at you.
No, I'm not mad because
Listen to me. before you accuse a person, tell the person na make sure first.
Priscilla, I'm not the only one who saw it, okay? I'm saying what I see.
We are going to discuss it together, okay? And discuss it with, clear mind and
Cool ka lang. Dahil
Yeah,
ako,
cool
I
heart.
know it's not like this, so I know the people see it.
Then you can explain it.
Huh?
Then
BT.
you can explain it.
Everybody,
Right.
guys, let's gather.
Nag-usap na kami, bago lang. Para sa amin, kasi parang unfair dahil kami, kung siguro sa part namin nakakita kami na kumakain sa noodles, hindi namin sasabihin agad na sila. Instead, na kung nagtatanong si Kuya, sasabihin namin na, nakita ko po si ganon, tsaka si ganyan. Pero po, hindi po kami sigurado kung siya po. Kasi po, baka lang siguro sa sobrang gutom, nakalimutan lang namin, hindi namin nakita na meron palang noodles na tara dun. Yun lang. At ito na lang, ba't sabihin ko, Kuya, tingnan mo na lang sa camera.
I just want to know one thing. What were noodles doing in that jar?
I don't took this in the jar. It was
No,
the
no,
first time
that's hiding
they were
noodles.
in the Nissan
The
box.
noodles are
I
in
took
the
the
jar.
two from the Nissan box.
That's hiding noodles. That's
Pero I was not pinpointing anyone. I was asking, Kuya asked me. So I just tell what I know.
Okay, the way I see it, sa pagtingin ko, wala sa atin ang nagtatago ng noodles.
Gusto kong sabihin sa inyo na hindi totoo ang suspetsya ninyo. Walang ibang tao ang naglagay ng noodles sa jar.
Wala namang tao ang...
Hindi nyo pa rin nalulutas ang misteryo sa likod ng nawawalang noodles. Hindi pa rin ninyo malalaman ang sikreto.
Confirmed, Mr. President. Tumawag na si Giancarlo